Hey, good morning, guys. It's Donald and Mary, and it is 5:43 a.m. on 9/17/2025, and we're here to report the water and weather here in North Georgia. And Mary is going to start with that, and then after, I'm going to take it away and talk about news around the world. All right, go ahead and take it away, Mary.
Thank you, Donald.
You're
Good
welcome.
morning, everybody. In Blairsville right now, it is 60 degrees and we do have some fog. So if you're heading out early, especially, take some extra time, be cautious. We're looking at a high of 80 today with some showers early and then clearing with ample sunshine this afternoon. 5 to 10 mile per hour winds, and there is a 40% chance of rain. Tonight, 55 degrees with some clouds. This evening, giving way to mostly clear skies, and the winds are light and variable. Blood Mountain today, 72 for a high, mostly sunny. So if you're up on Blood Mountain today, you should have a great view. And then tonight, 58 degrees, mostly clear. And we're looking at 5 mile per hour winds today and tonight. Water's good for the most part on the trail. Always top off at Hawk Mountain Shelter. Make sure you're topping off at Slaughter Creek before you climb Blood. Excuse me. And then Neal Gap. Neal Gap to Hog Pen Gap is dry. But Hog Pen Gap water source, it is flowing quite well, and you should be able to top off there without a problem. That's going to be good for quite a while. Snakes, let's practice caution. They'll be out in the sunshine, rocks and stumps and logs. Cow Rock Boulders, 5 miles north of Neal Gap. Let's remember those copperheads and rattlesnakes sometimes. And then Smoky Mountains, closed campsites for bears are 18 and 57. Caution for bears, 82 campsite, and all trails and shelters are open. Now I'm going to turn it over to Donald, and he's going to talk about other stuff we have going on out here and around us.
Hey, good morning, guys. All right, and so let's see what we have this morning. Now, there was a bear attack in Yellowstone. A hiker was attacked by a bear in Yellowstone National Park after a surprise encounter on a trail Tuesday, park officials said. The hiker's injuries were not life-threatening, but the 29-year-old sustained injuries to his chest and arm. The hiker was alone and the Turbid Lake Trail. The hiker was alone on the Turbid Lake Trail when he encountered the bear and tried to use spray. Based on the nature of the attack, the bear was likely a grizzly, the park said, although the hiker reported that it may have been a black bear. Turbid Lake Trail is closed until further notice following the attack because this was a defensive reaction by a bear during a surprise encounter. The park will not be taking any management action against the bear. This is the first bear attack in Yellowstone against a person, including a solo hiker, since May of 2021.